Saturday guys, April 27, and si Sak katapos niya lang kumain ng breakfast. Ayan, nililigpit niya na yung ating toaster. And si Jan tsaka si Kuya and the other boys nag-golf ulit. And ako, ina-upload ko yung isang vlog, yung part 2 to guys, kasi yung kailangan kong hatiin kasi sobrang hina ng internet namin, yung ano namin dito, sobrang hina ng phone, ng internet, so hinati ko sa dalawa para ma-upload. So kanina lang na-upload yung yung first, yung part 1 nito. Although kagabi ko pa yung na-upload. So kanina lang alas 8 ko na-up yung upload. Tapos eto, ina-upload ko yung kalahati. Dahil kung hindi ko sila hinati, baka wala pang upload na vlog. So hinati ko na lang. So kanina pa tong uploading, siguro mga magto 2 hours na. So meron pa siyang 1 hour and 12 minutes. Pero minsan nagsisinungaling din 'yan. So hopefully ma-upload siya. So kanina pa 'yan. Anong oras na? 10:12 na. Si Holly tsaka si di ba may pa eye patch tayo diyan. Si Holly tsaka si Sophie nasa jumping pillow. Nag-breakfast na rin yun si Holly, yung Milo na cereal yung kanyang breakfast. Nakakadalawa o 3 bowl si Holly nun. Sobrang gustong-gusto niya yung Milo na yun. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay magliligpit dito sa caravan guys. So sana ma-upload yung... Ayan, tinutulungan niya na ako maglinis dito. Kasi mamaya, pagdating ni Jan, tatanggalin niya yung annex. And mamaya, mag-aayos ako kasi today is the wedding.
You're wearing the orange dress.
No, not the orange. No, I didn't bring that one. No, I didn't. Gusto niyang ipasuot sa akin yung sinabi ko sa inyo na dress. Pero hindi yun yung gagamitin ko.
You don't wear that stuff to weddings, Mum.
Yes, they do. I'll take a photos of other people there, what they wear, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna wear old dresses.
Mine is kind of, well, I'm wearing skirt. Gusto niya mag-dress si Mommy sa wedding. And malamig guys, may araw pero malamig sa labas. Sana maging warm mamayang hapon. Okay, we're gonna continue packing here. Kasi mamaya after ng wedding, aalis na tayo. Nakaligo na pala ako and nakapag skincare. Di ko lang binasa yung ating buhok. And nilinis ko na rin dito. Na ilagay ko na yung cereals dito sa cabinet. Ayan. And yung ating ina-upload, anong oras na? 11:42. Yung ating upload ay eto. 25% pa lang siya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya ma-upload. But, yeah. Ngayon yung gagawin ko, dahil malinis na yung caravan. Dito na si Sak. Nagra-ride siya ng kanyang, scooter.
Is this what you...
Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna wear. Ayaw niya yan. Yes.
Is these the pants?
No, that's the skirt. Ayaw niya yan. Gusto niya yung isa nga. Sana hindi ko natatakpan yung... It's alright. So, mag-straight ako ng buhok. Tapos, ibabanto sa gilid. Si Kylie yung mag-aano sa akin. Mag-ayos ng buhok. Pero straight ko lang siya. No more. You can have all of that. Okay, mag-ano na ako guys. Mag-straight na tayo ng buhok. Kasi mamaya, parating na yun si Jan. Pagdating nun.
Let's wait.
Yeah, maybe. Kasi pagdating ni Jan mamaya, tatanggalin niya na yung annex. So, then maliligo siya. Tapos alis tayo. Punta na yung, mag-a-attend tayo ng kasal. Okay, okay. Okay? Okay, put that outside now, please. So, there's no empty bottles here inside the caravan. Okay, guys. Kunin ko na yung aking pang straight.
Get dry first.
Okay. Lagay na tayo ng heat protection. Three o'clock yung kasal. And yung mga bata, hindi namin isasama kasi pwede silang sumama sa ceremony, pero sa, ano kasi, sa reception, hindi sila pwede. So, sabi ni Jan, wag na lang isama yung mga bata.
Look at these ones.
Huh? Oh, that's Chewy.
I know, but who?
That's mine. Okay. Siguro.
Have you heard them before?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah. Okay, where's my brush? So, wala tayong kasamang bata sa wedding. Ang haba na ng buhok ko. Diba, oh, tingnan. Lagi kasi nakatali, kaya hindi nyo masyado nakikita. Pero yan, haba na ng buhok ko. Straight lang natin to. Damit.
It's too cold in my throat.
Drink water.
Wood, yeah. No, yeah, meow.
Yeah. Diba kanina, sinabi dyan, 1 hour something. Ngayon, 2 hours and 53 minutes. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi siya accurate. Just a little bit. Hindi pa ako tapos straight ng buhok. Si Holly humingi ng lunch. And nag-offer si Kuya sa akin na siya ang gagawa. Salami wrap. Okay. And naglagay din pala ako ng eye patch para yung aking eye bags ay hopefully hindi ganun ka-obvious.
Eat it the first one.
Outside baby, okay.
Come on,
Tuloy.
one.
You're having one too?
I might.
Oh my God, you've been eating. Alright, sabi ko sa inyo magigiba na tong caravan namin, kakaslam nila ng door. Okay, tuloy na natin ang
Is it
straight. Dito na tayo kila Kylie para ayusan. Yan, dito tayo kay Kylie, the hairstylist from Mount Gambier. Na-straight ko na, so pina-straight niya lang to sa akin. Sinabihan niya ako kagabi para siya na yung mag-ayos. Yung update. Huh? No, I'm just updating my people. Wala pa sila dyan. I think they're coming home now. Sophie said TJ sent a Snapchat that they're in the car. So they must be coming home now. Dito na sila. And ang,
under trees.
si George at si Kuya yung magka-campus sa golf. Si Johnny Boy at si Kobe. Ang nanalo si Jan at si Kobe. Natalo yung dalawa. Si Kuya at si Joey. Ayan na siya, guys.
Actually, right now I should be able to just get all my fingers.
Dad, I'm gonna go shopping tomorrow. Yeah.
Lot?
Yeah, it looks like I have a lot of hair.
Yeah.
And I can use that swag.
Nice. Nice. Ayan guys, tapos na. What do you think, Zach? Is it nice, huh? Nagpapak na sila, oh. Kasi alis na din tayo mamaya. Okay, mag-ano na ako.
inside.
Yeah. Bawal daw ang sapatos. Kuya, can you close please? Okay. Ay, nako yung ating 39% pa lang yung ating na-upload guys. Iniwan ko yung phone dito para mag-continue siya. Wala eh. Ayan, 39%. 12:55, mag-aalauna na. Ayan sila. Tinatanggal na nila yung annex. Video kuya. And yung patungan ni John is yung bean. Yung ginagawa niyang ladder. Okay. Nakapaglagay na pala tayo guys ng konting foundation. Pero bago ako nag-foundation, naglagay muna akong primer. Ito yung TV. Ay! Ay! Uy! May ano na naman. Muntik na kayo mahulog, guys. Kasi nakalagay lang kayo dito, oh, sa may bintana. And yung aking mag-aama, inislam na naman nila yung kanilang, yung door dito.
Hair on the floor from you.
I know, ang grabe maglagas ang buho ko, guys. Oh, diba?
My dad, Mom.
Ha?
No.
I know, I
I
got
like
lots
your
of,
hair, Mom.
thank you.
Kylie did it though.
Yes, so, yun nga, gamit ko is,
Space Bums.
yes, side bun. So, ito yung Tiviant, yung kanilang The Ultimate Skin Master Primer. Tapos, Tiviant na, very kunti lang talaga, kasing kunti lang yung ginamit ko. Ito yung shade ko is Nude. Then, concealer, nag-concealer din ako. Dalawa yung concealer ko, guys. Yung ating Tiviant din pareho. May light and dark kasi ako. So, minix ko siya. Yung Capri, dito sa aking dark, melasma. Tapos, yung sa mata, ito yung si Lisbon, yung shade.
Our foot nails done.
Yeah, I told them the other day, Baba.
Had they seen
Tapos, ito yung stroke na eyebrows. Ayan. Yung shade niya naman is bronzite. Basta yan yung shade niya, guys.
wearing makeup?
Were you?
Then I washed it off.
Microblade Pen Perfector. Yung ating
Happy now, Jen. Happy now. Happy
sa kilay. Then, mag-lip liner lang. Wala akong ilalagay sa mata ko, guys. Wala akong eyeshadow. Hindi tayo mag-eyeshadow. Tapos, yung aking eyeliner is yung Glam On. Meron tong pang kilay, pang mata, yung pang wing, pero hindi ako gagamit yan. Ang gagamitin ko lang dito is yung lip liner.
You'll die, Dad.
Si Jan nag-walis kasi ang dami kong buhok. Kanina, di ba, straight ng buhok. Lipstick pala na nilalagay ko is Pouty P from Lux Skin. Every time na nilalagay ko tong lipstick na to ni Lux Skin, sobrang refreshing sa lips kasi may cooling effect siya, guys. Available to sa Holly Mom Style or ChonaAndMyKids sa live selling. Lahat ng shade, meron tayo niyan. Okay, magbablush on lang ako and I'm done. Guys, dito na tayo, guys, sa car. Alis na tayo. And ito yung bag ko. Yung ating bubeda. Kamusta? 15 minutes away lang ata dito. But yeah, we're going. Ang init ngayon. Dala ko yung blazer, yung yellow, kung naalala nyo nung nagbawas ako sa sa caravan ng mga blazers and coat. May isa akong yellow tinara doon. Ayun yung dala ko.
Can I do the code for you?
The what?
Alright, yep.
The what, hon?
Code.
Siya mag-ano ng code. Kasi huwag kayo mahulog. Kaya na naman siya ng nilinisan ko lang yung aking shade.
39847.
9.
Yep. 8 47 hash.
Thank you,
So
Baba. See you,
beautiful.
Baba. Regalo na ibibigay ko kay Emma. Ayan. Perfume dessert yung kanyang paper bag. Lalagyan to ni Jan ng pera. Pero pakita ko sa inyo yung kasama nun. Ayan, meron tayong yung Lux Cosmetic na RSP Mist and Babe Shampoo and Conditioner. Yung mga tinda ko to, guys. Ayan, and Perfume Dessert Tinted Moisturizer. And of course, the Perfume Dessert Perfume. Oh my God! Ayan, ito yung set niya is cake pops. Ayan. So, wala kasi kaming maisip na pang ririgalo kay Emma kasi kumpleto na yung bahay niya. And gusto ko sana sa kitchen, yung something para sa kitchen, kaso meron na siya kasi 2 years ago pa siya namili ng mga ano niya, ng mga ano para sa bahay. So sabi ko, ano pa bang ibibigay natin sa kanya, kasi halos meron naman siya. So sabi ko, eto na lang. Tapos sabi ni Jan, yun na, bigay siya ng pera. Ooh, babe. Oh, that one, lock number 4. Down here. Para naman tong ano, maze. Ito yung tinatahak natin, guys, na road. Malapit kasi sa river yung wedding. Bango-bango ni Jan. Bango-bango ng asawa ko. No, we're gonna walk for her.
Yeah,
Oh no,
just there.
it's just there. They're not here yet. Oh, is that Melissa's caravan? Is that on? There's few caravans here.
There's the boys there.
Who's boys? Who's boys? Oh, Melissa. There's a lot of caravans here, hon. Why we didn't come here? Daming caravans. Dito na kami, guys.
Turn it off.
Huh?
Not that on Eddie.
Huh?
Turn it off.
What? This one?
Yeah.
Akala ko turn off na yung camera. Grabe ka naman. Wala pa tayo dun saan. Nandiyan lang. May gazebo. Tapos may parang, anong tawag nyo dun? Yung parang wine, ano bang tawag yun? Yung parang malaking kahoy na nilalagyan ng wine. Parang table siya din. And si Jan punta. Yung groom, guys, nakikita namin dito. Hindi pa siya nakadamit. Ayun si Jan. Doon si Jan. Pupunta niya yung groom. Hala, malulobat na yung aking. Wala pa nga. Lobat na agad ang ating battery dito, guys. Sa G7X. Nagpa-flash na siya. Yung groom, ayun, guys. Wala pa. Hindi pa nakabihis. Habang wala pang tao, guys. Ayan. Ito yung gazebo. Ayan, may pa-couch, pillows, and may tables dito. And doon yung ceremony. Mayroon ng mga nagpapapicture doon. Oh. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos meron ditong yung parang old na shed na kalas na yung sa harapan. Kalas, yung walang cover sa harapan. And may pa-heater. My God, takot ako sa heater na yan. Receptions here as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
everything's
sit
here.
down.
Ah, dito palang reception din.
Yeah, it looks like you're going to get a bit more shade there. Be good.
That's Brad. Tapos na yung wedding, magpa-picture yung magkakapatid doon. Picture na kanya-kanya ng picture yung mga tao, guys. And meron pala ditong paganyan, o diba? Ang cute ng pa-setup dito. Dito na, nasabi ko pa sa inyo, dito na rin yung reception. Ayan. Upo muna ako. Kanina pa ako nakatayo simula nung ceremony. Yan yung girlfriend ni Brad, yung naka-blue, guys. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Natapos na siya sa uni. And si Jan and Das and Talana and si Jobs. Ang ininom ni Jan, Coke. Ayan yung ating shoes. And ang taas ng paslit natin dyan. So, ayan. Yung iba nagpi-picture-picture pa sila, guys. Dyan yung ceremony ni Emma. Ayan. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Pero lumalamig na. Kailangan ko lang kunin yung aking jacket. And dyan mamaya kakain. Kate! Hi! We have finger food. Ayan. Chicken, satay.
Spicy capsicum.
Yeah, capsicum. Yum.
Yeah, just no dramas. Look at that perfect
Yeah.
rose. I'm
I
about to
know.
ruin it. No way, no way.
I want this one.
This Glenwood.
Yeah, buddy. What's this?
Oh, what's this one?
Well, you've wrapped it now, can't pour it back. What is that?
That's ham.
Yeah, I don't know. This is
Here's your chicken there. Look at us hanging around. What is that?
puff pastry.
That's a ricotta.
Ricotta?
Cheese.
Cheese.
What is that hovering around one?
Spinach and ricotta.
I think so. Yeah, ricotta and puff pastry.
Yeah, I'm going to eat it then. Just take the rose,
that's
Caitlin. I know you want to take the rose.
Break the rose.
Sarap.
I would, but I don't need it.
Nice.
That's a really good spread.
Yeah,
It's better with
cheese.
Chicken touch cheese.
Good. There's not. There's one more.
Is that chicken?
I think so. Yeah.
That's chicken.
I got the other one. Sorry. That's so good.
Yeah, one, two. Go to the next one.
I got two. Go to that one. Before they get it. And this is good. This is good, Han. Try. Cheese and puff paste. It's nice. Try. There's none. I'm giving it to you so you can try. It's so good. You will like it. Whoa. There's no cheese. Good, no? Kuha tayong Krispy Kreme. Si Jan, kuhaan ko si Jan. Yeah. So far, eto yung food namin. Kanina nag-ano na tayo doon, nag-cheese platter. Han, you want this one? You sure? I got it for you. Oh, okay. And ayan. You sure, Bab? You sure? Kinuha ko tong chocolate para sa kanya. Ang kinain niya ay yung akin. Yung original glaze. Pinakuha ko kay Jan yung ating jacket or yung blazer kasi nilalamig na ako at saka yung sandals para makapagpalit na tayo. May naglilibot ng food. May spring rolls. Nandito na pala. Very good? I got some too. Meron din dito, oh. Sa likod ko. Yeah. And nandito na akong kuha. Ay, sorry. Yes. Can I get two? Yeah. Thank you. Serviette. Okay. Nakakuha rin tayo ng chicken cold rolls with peanut sauce. Wala pa si Jan. Gusto ko si Jan bigyan ng spring rolls pero ayaw niya pala ng may chili, so sana duman ulit yun. At the back, at the back, at the back, at the back, at the back. At the back. Where you been? You said you're just gonna go toilet.
Then we went around.
You know si Talana. Ayan. This is Caitlin, a good singer. Oh. And yan yung husband niya si Mitch. May parag, thank you Mitch. Ayan. Ang tagal ni Jan, nilalamig na ako. Ayan, meron tayo.
I seen those blankets in there. I'm like,
Good night, little. Good night, everyone. Ayan, may parag tayo. Which one? The spring roll? Yeah, I've been eating it. This is good. Kinuha ko. Yeah. No one is touching, so I just grab it and put it. Try the spring rolls. Ang dami ko ng spring rolls dito, guys. Kinuha ko si Jan na, wala. Mitch, do you want spring rolls?
I just had one. You're right. I'll wait.
Here, I got lots here.
No, that's all right. You have it.
Look, I have another two
Thank
here.
you.
Is this mine? Yeah. That'll be awesome.
Have you tried it yet? Are they good? I'm a bit like, you know, it's hard to eat spring rolls.
There's a cilantro. Do you use cilantro? Cilantro. The coriander.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, generally don't like it.
And sit inside the spring roll.
Don't bother me.
I like them.
You like
They
it?
gotta have
yeah,
the
you
chili
can eat
sauce.
Really hot.
That's what I thought. It's
Very-
not sweet chili. It's
It's
hot
not
chili.
sweet. It's like
As in
hot,
sweat on the floor.
very
Not
spicy.
bad.
Sriracha
It's
sauce.
like burning on the inside. It's not even that hot.
Japanese though.
Meron siyang coriander. Dito magugustuhan mo.
Oh, that's been
Yeah, John's
I love
not gonna like it. There's a coriander.
That's right, yeah.
Parody. Peppery.
Yeah, the coriander.
I need to see.
Can't wait to have a jacket. I haven't seen it.
Lovely. No. I'm just looking around and see if there's still more.
Yeah,
No, there's one right under there. That's good.
Vlog,
That's
Salana.
good. That's right.
You're in my vlog.
Is that a chicken
It's
munchie?
been a while. They haven't seen on my vlog.
Anyone put anything in there?
Wait, that looks like a boy bawang.
Yeah, but it tastes different.
Does it?
They're good, eh?
Boy bawang is? Garlic.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Boy
Corn.
bawang. You know what boy
Corn,
bawang
isn't
is?
it?
Garlic balls. Garlic balls. Yeah,
Why did
yeah.
you say garlic balls?
Because I want to sound cool and say boy bawang.
Oh, this is comfy.
I think they'll
I will
love a
pass it
fire
to you
later.
later.
Even-
Salana. This is
Oh, I got my
so-
big
Yeah, they got the good old stuff
But
there.
this is really good.
If Jason comes outside,
It's so
see how
nice.
young, you know, Evan's all
I saw someone did it. This is. Did you try the cold roll?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Now it's got a middle
Minus
age.
the mint.
Ah, there's a
That's
meat.
what I
It's
hate it.
just gossip down.
I was hungry.
Ah, there's a.
There's more spring rolls
It's like
there.
a big one, and I couldn't get it because
They're
it
actually
was
putting them over for
Yeah,
you.
meat. The
Yeah,
meat.
Yummy.
We'd also got a stack.
I didn't mind them. I haven't had cold rolls much. Everyone
Yeah,
talks about them.
good, yeah.
I don't.
Well, I've only jumped on board
just hungry.
probably this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now I just like sometimes I'm like, go cold rolls.
There's a
I like the meat.
Vietnamese place that opened up in the Mount, which I still haven't gone to, but it's meant to be alright, I think.
Okay. Where's
Which
that at?
one?
Just down the main street.
Nice. I like the. You're not gonna eat that one. The pork one, pork
Yep.
roll.
Yep.
You're not
Good.
having it. You are not having it. No, we do at home. Where's that, John yet?
You're happy here. You got lots of chicken. There's a lot of chicken here.
Oh, a little bit hot.
Spicy.
Even the spring rolls are peppery.
Spicy daw yung
Finding it makes it a little
kanya.
bit hot.
I don't know. Oh, that's just pepper.
No, you would not get that.
No, but that's just pepper
What,
in
this
there.
one?
Yeah,
I can't even have black pepper without
Very
burning.
spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, weird. It's
Here
alright,
he
John.
comes,
She's
look out. You're
cold
in trouble
now.
now.
Finally, bro.
Yeah, they were good. They're actually really good.
I've been eating.
Here, we got me one.
There it is, I'm there too. I can't eat them hot.
Umating din siya.
Over there.
So in the same spot over there.
Is he behind the shed?
No, at the door. Hanging in up and have moved from the same spot.
And they probably won't.
Oh, there's some.
No, in there. Do you want me to get you a pillow?
Probably that one.
They wanted to sleep in the morning. Like, we had this golf.
Because we already chicken and then we check out.
So what time will West Beach?
Oh, John Collins.
No, but I thought you'd like check-in time's a bit different. They got a 24-hour.
That one?
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
I think it was the last one. Whatever one that was on there.
Straight in that golf. And so you're all going.
So they've gone or they're waiting for you? No, but I didn't know how many kids they got. It'll
No.
fit in the car, I'm sure.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, they're all the same.
Don't say you're going to be on a play.
But, oh, that one I suppose. I didn't even know.
I'll bring you one. Musky all at the same time. I didn't like that last year. Did you get that tan? Yeah, the girls should not have you ever tan because I got what then when I tan, I'm doing the dishes with.
I know.
Hi.
When I tan my yeah, but I'm not going to end up then I get a photo.
Yeah, but you can put your jacket on until it ever gets to you.
Because then I just no.
And then what?
I don't
You're going to be stiff when you have a photo.
I know.
You didn't take us on that photo, I'm sure. No. I told you, your jacket's right here.
Yeah, my French coat.
Alright.
I said I
We're good.
looked at me and went, you've got a jumper on. I'm just sure you're fine.
Nice though.
I like it, yeah.
Not hot.
It's got definitely got spice to it.
Just a little bit. Like I could definitely my mouth is still a bit.
But you can taste the coconut too.
Can you?
But I try to eat it because they weren't going to do me another one.
You can see the powder.
Naka-jacket na rin siya, naka-Kathmandu na siya. Lumalamig na, hindi, sobrang lamig na guys.
I'd have to take
I want to. I'm not. I want to give it.
Thank you.
Press it down.
Ayan, sliders.
That's for me too.
Okay, thank you.
Get one? Stop it.
Oh, yeah, just put it there. Thank you. Dami naming food.
I might have to put another one there.
Oh my god, there's a lot of food now. Alright, okay. That one.
Hang on, get me out of there.
Yeah, Jalana.
Live action here.
Go. Have a bite.
I'll give you a live review.
Go. How is it? Wait. Oh, what do you think?
9 out of 10.
Oh my god. Here. Oh, more food. Chicken for Chalana. Hindi siya kumakain ng pork eh. Ah, chicken. What do you call this one?
Chicken noodle bowl.
Chicken noodle bowl. Okay, thank you. Nandito si Johnny Boy tsaka si Dust sa bonfire. Oh, dito pala lahat sila. Hi Mitch, you're here now. Oh, nice in here. Oh. Uwi na kami guys and ayan dala ko para sa aking mga anak. Tig-isa sila. Ayan. Gabing, what time is it, Han? 6:38. Pero tingnan nyo, parang alas 10 na, oh. Dilim. Dito na tayo, guys. Sinuhok na yung car.
Was there someone wearing that?
Yeah. A lot. Ayun, kinakain na nila yung pasalubong natin. Hinuhok lang ni Jan yung caravan sa car. Okay. Hindi ka na makikita nyo, pero ayan, nahook na ni Jan. Si Kuya, tsaka si Saki yung tumutulong sa kanya. Aray ko sa... Oh my god.
Yeah, Mom.
Time check is 7:17. Yung... Oh, hey, what's going on? Ito na lang yung natitira. Si Sasha kasi ako kumain na pero hindi nila naubos.
I want the spring roll.
So yung spring roll gustong gusto nila. Yung isa, kasi hindi naubos ni Holly, nilagay ko sa isang ganito, tapos yung kay Sak. So, meron ako isang ganito sa fridge. Ito kay Kuya to. Meron siyang sliders. Ayan. So, kay Kuya to. So, check lang nila doon. They're off. Okay. Good luck, baby. Okay. Where's Kuya? Ito kay Kuya, hindi na siya makapaghintay. Ang sa niya kasi may maliit na bowl. Okay.
It's just the door.
The door,
Shut.
honey. Yeah.
What door? What door?
That one. Okay. Si Kuya, nasa labas pa siya.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ginaguide niya pa si Daddy.
You open the gate.
Bubukas pa siya ng gate. Ayan si Kuya. Tapos niya na yung
39, 84, 7.
So dapat may isang gabi pa tayo pero hindi na tayo dito matutulog. Kasi punta na tayo ng Adelaide. So bayad pa natin yung isang gabi dito. Come on, ya!
I think TJ just got hit by one of those roses.
Oh!
Roses are red, violets are blue. Did you get hit by a rose? Yep.
Oh, you alright?
Get your burger.
Okay, here you go, ya. There's a sauce here, ya.
And there's a pickle on top.
Yeah.
Bub.
Just swallow it.
Aha,
Throw it out.
Spit it out.
spit it out. Ayaw niya yung pickles. Binigay ni Kuya. And ayan na si Kuya. Kumakain na. Kumain na sila ng dinner. What did you have for dinner? Spaghetti? Yes. Yes. Spaghetti. And
Here,
si
let me
Kuya.
chuck this tomato out.
Nag-stop pala kami dito sa, where are we, Zach?
15 kilometers from Walkery or Wakery.
Wakery. So, somewhere there, guys. And minamassage ako ni Zach. Gusto ko nang tanggalin ito. Ang galing pagkagawa ni Kyle. As in, ang tibay niya. 829. 829. Yung ating mga kasama nasa labas, nagpapausok.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.